What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm dirty. Welcome back. So this is episode 4 or something on this Tacoma right here. Long story short, as you can see behind me, wheel bearings in the back when I drove it home the first time, they were so loud I could not even bear it. So I drove it back to the shop and I went to a repair shop and they quoted me like $1,000 to do the rear wheel bearings. I'm like, bruh, I'll do it myself. So I already installed them. I didn't want to record the whole episode about how to take them off, how to unscrew them. There's videos out there to do it. I do not recommend people doing this by themselves at home. It's almost impossible to do it with hand tools, but obviously I am Ukrainian, I am foreign, so I will do it myself as long as it takes. We use these cylinders, we banged them out, the bearing out, and then a piece of the bearing was stuck in there, cut it out. Cleaned it all off. It's a long story. I'm not even going to explain to you. It's a hassle. I mean, if anybody knows anything about these rear axle bearings, don't do it. So I'm going to put this together right now. Pump the brakes because the brake lines are off. Everything's off, obviously, the shoes. Put everything together. Interior is still ratchet, but it's going to get done. It's going to get done in this episode, I'm pretty sure. So hopefully I can, everything's dirty, the engine's still all ratchet. This antenna that was missing, I actually bought this one for $1.50. You guessed it, China baby. Look at that antenna, looks nice and cute. Yeah, but we'll get this done. We'll get this project completed, start buffing all these little pieces after these wheel bearings. And I forgot to explain, 4x4 is not working either. So there goes another issue I have to figure out. So we'll get to it. So here's the interior. Finally got to cleaning the interior. Look how clean it is. Just kidding. Just took the seats out. My detailing guy will start cleaning it little by little. I mean, this thing is so, I don't know what the word is for it. Ratchet or whatever. I mean, it's bad. I mean, it's 1 out of a 10, 10 being good. This is a 1, definitely a 1. Smells like dogs in here, sort of. I'm not sure who shot in here or whatever, probably a dog. But it's gonna be perfect when it's done, pretty sure. Hopefully, he says he'll do the best he can. So, we'll see. Alright guys, it is finally done. It has been a while. Pretty much it took me over a month to get it completely done because how nasty the interior was. And it's still not perfect. There's some sort of permanent stain right there. We're not sure what it is. We took the seats out. We have not used the extractor on it, but that's how it's gonna be. Other than that, it came out pretty good. Everything else, carpet's still kind of eh. The back seats are pretty clean. It's pretty good. Pretty much the only issue I've been experiencing with it, I changed the front differential because it was making some noise and the 4-wheel drive wasn't working. Changed that out and now everything works. The rear end though still hums. The rear end needs the differential bearing, which I will not change. I do not have enough money for that. It's about $1,000 to get it done and I'm not doing that. So the truck is going to go up for sale for $12,700 as is. It still runs and drives great, everything works, but obviously the rear diff noise. But other than that, I mean, it's up for sale, so whoever buys it, they're gonna know about the rear bearing noise, obviously. If they ask, I will tell them that it wasn't an accident. I'm not hiding anything from them. But if they don't ask, it's a clean title vehicle, you know what I'm saying? Cars go into minor repairs here and there, so whatever. I mean, appreciate it guys for watching this build. It is up for sale. I will mark on this video if it's sold or not. So hopefully it sells quick. It is, I think it's the beginning of April now, so if it sells within a couple days or a week, I'll let you guys know. It's a pretty great price for this truck. So yeah, appreciate it guys. This will not be my last Copart buy. It might be, I'm not sure. Thanks, have a good one.